Are you still typing bank transactions into your budget spreadsheet one by one? After a holiday, a busy month, or simply a few weeks away from your budget, that small task can quickly become hundreds of rows. MyFriendlyBudget now has a practical way to catch up faster. Using a web-based AI assistant and a reusable instruction, you can prepare a batch update for your bank account table, without coding and without connecting directly to your bank. You provide two files, your latest bank transaction export and your MyFriendlyBudget spreadsheet. The process compares the records, identifies duplicate transactions, checks for balance mismatches, and returns a file designed to make the update much easier to review and paste into your account table. Importantly, this is not a blind sync everything button. You stay in control. You review the result before making changes, and the guide includes simple privacy steps, such as disabling training where the AI provider allows it and deleting the conversation once you're done. I still prefer manual updates most of the time. They keep me close to my spending, and they make categorization easier when a bank description is unclear. But for monthly reconciliations, or when you're catching up after time away, this can turn a frustrating backlog into a task that takes minutes. The full guide explains the 6-step process, the privacy precautions, the checks built into the workflow, and includes the reusable prompt template for MyFriendlyBudget. You'll find the link in the description below. Stop manual updates when manual updates no longer make sense. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with anyone who might benefit from this tip. MyFriendlyBudget.com